Most camping chairs sold online collapse the moment you lean back. Pick wrong and you lose comfort, support, and a chair that lasts a weekend. Ever been stuck in a dusty campsite chair that sags and squeaks all night? Today, I'm going to be going over the best camping chair that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Alpha Camp Camping Chair. From the moment you unbox it, the chair radiates rugged practicality, signaling a design tailored for outdoorsy gatherings and weekend escapes. The value proposition stands out with a value 2-pack that doubles seating for couples or friends while remaining surprisingly portable. Built into the armrest, a fork and cooler keeps beverages chilled, offering hands-free access during long hikes or beach days. The construction uses heavy-duty 600D Oxford fabric and a reinforced steel frame with anti-rust coating to ensure stability. Weighing only 5 pounds per chair, the foldable design opens in seconds and tucks neatly into its carry sack. A large side pocket and dedicated cup holder add practical storage for a phone or snacks while the chair remains comfortable. The set includes 2 chairs with dedicated carry bags, simplifying transport and ensuring both stay dry and organized during trips. Ergonomic design with padded armrests provides hours of comfort, and the seating height feels natural for most outdoor tables and picnic setups. The anti-rust coated steel frame endures repeated setup and breakdown through seasons, while fabric holds color and structure after long use. Field testing across sand, grass, and rocky surfaces showed reliable stability and comfortable seating for extended outdoor sessions. During testing, the chair held up to 250 pounds with minimal flex under casual lounging outdoors. Compared to budget lounge chairs, this Alpha Camp camping chair offers greater stability, improved weight distribution, and a premium feel under sun. The pros include sturdy steel frame, integrated fork and cooler, and padded ergonomic armrests. The cons include higher price and bulky when packed. At number 4, we have the Coleman Camping Chair. From the moment you unpack it, the Coleman Camping Chair feels inviting, sturdy, and ready for weekend adventures or backyard gatherings. Its design targets campers, tailgaters, beach picnickers, festival goers, and family groups seeking reliable seating that adapts to busy outdoor routines. With a portable profile, this chair folds compactly and stores easily in a car trunk or closet, ideal for spontaneous outdoor trips. Constructed from durable polyester fabric, the frame integrates reinforced joints that resist wear, ensuring long-term performance under frequent outdoor use. An inbuilt fork and cooler pouch keeps beverages cold within reach while you relax, reducing the need for extra bags or coolers. Fully cushioned seat and back provide noticeable support during long rests, helping prevent fatigue during camping waits or stadium events. A mesh cup holder and side pocket keep essentials at hand, supporting drinks, phones, and small accessories without crowding the lap area. The collapsible foldable design simplifies storage, enabling quick setup and takedown after use, which appeals to travelers and casual backyard setups. Generous 24-inch seating width accommodates most adults comfortably, delivering ample legroom while maintaining a compact overall footprint for transport. Sitting height measures 18.1 inches, aligning knees and hips for relaxed posture during longer sessions without sacrificing chair stability. Compared to the Alps Mountaineering King Kong chair, the Coleman is easier to set up and lighter while padding is thinner. The pros include very portable lightweight frame, inbuilt fork and cooler system, and ultra-comfortable cushioned seating overall. The cons include a bulkier folded profile and the absence of a built-in headrest, which can hinder long sessions. At number 3, we have the ONETIGRIS Tigerblade. From the moment you lift it, this ultralight chair feels purpose-built for backpackers and weekend campers who crave comfort without bulk. It clearly targets hikers, anglers, and outdoor enthusiasts who value rapid setup, compact packing, and reliable support on uneven rocky surfaces. The frame uses an aluminum alloy grade 7075 and a triangle structure that significantly enhances stability under variable conditions. Weighs under 3 pounds and supports up to 330 pounds, delivering an impressive blend of portability with dependable load bearing. Folded dimensions keep it compact for backpacking, while setup transforms into a comfortable seat with ample legroom and stable balance. Detachable fabric and a foldable frame streamline packing, quick cleaning, and drying after a day spent in sun, sand, or mud. The triangle structure distributes weight uniformly, delivering predictable support and minimizing wobble when you shift position on uneven trails. The chair relies on heavy-duty 600 denier polyester to resist dirt, water, and scratches, ensuring longevity in rugged outdoor environments. Real-world testing showed steady performance during long sessions, maintaining comfort through extended seating and good weight distribution across the frame. Versatile use spans camping, trekking, fishing, BBQ parties, gardening, and indoor settings, making it a go-anywhere chair with purpose. Compared to the Helinox Chair 1, the Tigerblade offers lighter transport and similar load bearing, trading premium brand polish for simplicity. The pros include lightweight design, high load capacity, and compact foldability, all contributing to effortless backpacking and campsite comfort. The cons include a premium price relative to budget options and a slightly narrow seating width that may restrict bigger users. At number 2, we have the Nazhura camping chair. From the moment you pull it from the carry bag, this chair signals practical design aimed at campers, hikers, beach lovers, and tailgaters. Construction uses a sturdy steel frame with reinforced joints, delivering stable seating and a compact footprint suited for most outdoor setups. The built-in 4-can cooler pouch keeps drinks cold during long outings, integrating seamlessly with the chair without adding visible bulk. Fully cushioned seat and back deliver comfort for extended sessions, with an 18.1-inch sitting height that suits most frames. A mesh cup holder on the right side and a convenient side pocket greatly simplify access to beverages and essential small items. The chair folds compactly into the included carry bag, enabling effortless transport and storage after a day at the park or campsite. Its lightweight yet sturdy profile makes it versatile for beach days, sporting events, backyard barbecues, and rugged hiking trail rest breaks. With a 2-pack arrangement, portability remains effortless, designed to balance seat comfort with transport convenience across car trunks and campgrounds. During field testing, setup proved quick and stable on dirt, sand, and grass, while the cooler pouch maintained beverage chill substantially. Compared to the Coleman portable camping chair, the Nazhura offers a built-in cooler and higher value per dollar without sacrificing setup speed. The pros include durable steel frame with reinforced joints, built-in insulated cooler pouch, and one-hand fold. The cons include slightly heavier than ultralight models and higher price relative to budget chairs. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to wipeable fabric and simple frame joints, ensuring longevity with regular use under varying weather conditions. The chair packs into a compact carry bag, minimizing space in trunks while keeping the set ready for spontaneous picnics and trips. Considering features, comfort, and portability, the Nazhura camping chair stands out as a solid choice for outdoor enthusiasts who value convenience. At number 1, we have the Naturehike YL08. First impressions highlight its ultralight build and compact packability, clearly targeting backpackers, festival goers, and anyone seeking portable campsite comfort. The frame uses 7075 aluminum alloy with a dual pull system that promises stability across varied terrains. Weighing 2.38 pounds, it folds into a compact 14.6 by 3.6-inch bag for effortless stowage. Lightning-fast setup lives up to the 15-second claim, as the internal bungee cords tension automatically when the poles click together. The breathable fabric uses durable 600D Oxford with double-stitched seams and side mesh panels to manage heat and moisture. An anti-static coating helps repel dust and debris, while detachable anti-sink feet secure grip on sand or mud. The carry bag doubles as a frame-mounted storage pouch, keeping small items within reach while you relax at the campsite. In field tests, it confidently supports up to 265 pounds, maintaining stability on rocky trails and grassy slopes alike. Because of its ultralight form factor, it slides into backpacks, car trunks, and RV compartments without fuss, enabling spontaneous seating anywhere. Detachable feet and the dual pole frame deliver even weight distribution across sand, soil, and uneven ground, reducing sinking and improving comfort. In real-world use, it excels for long days hiking or festival queues, offering a stable seat without burden. Compared to the Helinox Chair 1, the Naturehike Ultralight chair matches weight and setup speed while costing less. The pros include a lightweight design that reduces pack weight, rapid setup that minimizes campsite fiddling, and durable aluminum construction for rugged reliability. The cons include higher price than budget options and a slightly compact seat that can feel cramped for larger frames.